In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D shapes in PowerPoint 2016, whether you're designing a presentation for work, school, or a personal project. Adding 3D shapes can make your slides stand out and engage your audience more effectively. Let me walk you through the process and ensure you can add that extra flair to your presentations with confidence. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If it's already installed, just locate the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or in your applications menu. Click on it to open the program and you'll find yourself at the starting interface. Next, you need to navigate to the PowerPoint presentation where you'd like to insert your 3D model. If you're starting a new presentation, you can click on blank presentation to begin with a fresh slide. Otherwise, open an existing presentation you'd like to edit by clicking on File at the top left corner, then open and browse for the file you need. Once your presentation is open, you'll want to find the Insert tab. This tab is located on the ribbon across the top of your window. Click on Insert and you'll be presented with a variety of options for different elements you can add to your slide. With the Insert tab open, look for the option that says 3D Models. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu that offers different sources for 3D content. For this tutorial, we're going to select from Online Sources, which allows you access to a library of stock 3D models provided by Microsoft. Now that you're in the Stock 3D Models section, you'll notice a range of categories and designs to choose from. Browse through the different options available. You'll find a variety of themes such as animals, buildings, or even scientific models. When you've found the model that best fits your presentation needs, click on it to select it. Once you've selected a 3D model, look for the Insert button, usually located at the bottom of your window. Click on Insert to place the model into your slide. PowerPoint will import the model directly into your presentation slide, and you can then move, resize, or rotate it to fit your desired layout. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully added a 3D model to your PowerPoint slide. Remember, adding 3D elements can make your slides visually appealing and help to convey your message more powerfully, so feel free to experiment with different models to see what works best for your projects. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. See you in the next video.